Have you ever come across words that are spelled the same but have different meanings? Or words that are spelled differently but sound the same? Well, we call these words homophones, homographs, and homonyms. So, in today's video, I'm going to explain the differences between these three and give you a few examples. So, let's get started. To make things easy, I'm going to break the words into two parts. As you can see, each word contains homo, which means the same. But now let's look at what makes them different. The word homophone consists of two words, homo, which means the same, and phone means sound. So homophones are words that have the same pronunciation, but they have different spelling and different meanings. For example, night and night. I slept badly last night, or a princess was saved by a brave knight. Next, let's talk about homographs. Homo, again, means the same, and graph means writing, which means that homographs are words that have the same spelling but different pronunciation and different meanings. For example, object and object. Object is a noun, and it is a thing that you can see or touch. And object is a verb, which means to disagree or express approval. If you want to use these words in a sentence, it would sound something like this. Make sure to bend your knees when you're picking heavy objects, which is a noun, an object, something that you can touch. An object, no one objected when the boss said it was time to go home. So as you can see, both these words have completely the same spelling, but they sound different. And last but not least, homonyms. Again, homo, same, and nym in this word means name. So homonyms are words that have completely the same spelling, same pronunciation, but they have completely different meanings. For example, letter and letter. Letter as a written message and letter as a character in alphabet. For example, he received a letter from his grandmother, a message, or the letter B comes after letter A in alphabet. Most students mix up homographs and homonyms, and this is because both sets of words look the same and they're spelled the same way. Now, the only difference is that homographs, even though they are spelled the same, they sound different, and homonyms, they both look and sound the same. For example, bow and bow. Right and right. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped clear up any confusion about homophones, homographs, and homonyms. If you have any questions or need some more examples, please feel free to comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!